Hey guys, well, while I was battling the epoxy on this workbench, I shifted gears and I finished out my shop wall and did some trim work. See what you think. And then after that, stick around. The weather finally cleared up. I was able to get on my e-bike and finally take that thing for a spin. It was awesome until I let my 9-year-old son ride it, and then I never saw it again. And then coming up after that, I got big work done on the sawmill truck. So I got a lot of stuff coming up, guys. Stick around. Check out my wall. Well, I'm super happy with how this is coming out right now. I have some metal left over from the exterior of the building, so I think I'm going to do kind of a wainscoting, whatever it's called. Anyway, I'm going to do corrugated metal across the bottom. I think that'll be nice for sweeping and sawdust not sticking to, and it'll just kind of break up all the wood. Well guys, I'm not a sheet metal worker. I don't even play one on TV. I'm going to try and trim it out to fit around the desk, and then come up to the bottom of the board here and see how that goes. Ow! Ah, that hurt. I like it a lot. Nice. Okay, well, I want to trim out this bench top. I want to cover that post in the back corner and just kind of finish out the rest of the details on this wall. But first, it's a little dark over here. I think the camera's picking it up better than it is, but I'm going to put a light up over the bench real quick and then get to making some trim pieces. Eventually, I want to have all matching lights in here, but I happen to have this LED fixture, so I'm going to use it for now. Well, I didn't do myself any favors here. Much better. I can see. Awesome. All right, let's get to doing some trim. I need to get some more shorter rails for this so that I can do something like this the right way, but today we're just going to adapt and overcome. Well, I've got my handy dandy sun frog here, which is what I normally use on fences, and I used it on the cedar on the back wall. It's a really nice cedar tone stain, oil based. Looks like it's been a minute since this has been open. Hopefully it's good. Now, believe it or not, I don't have any cedar left to be able to finish that top panel. I can add that after the fact. I'm going to be milling some cedar fence boards soon. But for now, I'm going to put this up in the corner to kind of finish that off, and then I can add that panel later. I have a little gap here between the back of the of this piece and the wall itself, and I think I'll take a strip off of that edge that I cut off of this and use it to fill in the back. That's kind of fancy. Well guys, that's going to do it for this one. I need to get back to sawmilling and get some more flitches so I can cover up the rest of my posts. But I appreciate you guys watching this one, and we will see you soon.